when the heat of a rolling wave can be turned away, and it changed that moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we've got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds leave me very best. There's a time for everyone if they only learn that the twisting kaleidoscope moves at any turn. There's a rhyme and reason to the wild outdoors when the heart of this star-crossed voyager beats in time with yours. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we've got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. Well, I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? When it goes like this, the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, the barefoot king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. But baby, I've been here before, and I've seen this room, and I've walked this floor. You know I used to live alone before I knew you. And I've seen your flag on the marble arch, and love is not a victory march. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. see what's going on below, but now you never show that to me, do you? But remember when I moved in you, and the holy dove was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah.